Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes using a premix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a box of cupcake mix, typically requiring 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Ensure you also have a cupcake pan and paper liners ready for baking. This preparation makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's mix the batter. Empty the cupcake mix into a large bowl. Add the eggs, oil, and water as directed on the box. Using an electric mixer, blend on low speed for about 30 seconds. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, then mix on medium speed for 2 full minutes until smooth and well combined. Next, prepare your cupcake pan. Line each cup with paper liners. Carefully spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This prevents overflow and ensures even baking. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial before frosting, ensuring your decorations stay perfect. Once fully cooled, you can add your favorite frosting and decorations. Enjoy your easy, homemade cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.